Good morning, good afternoon, and welcome to a special episode of Joydrive. Today we've been invited down to Mitsubishi Owner's Dyno Day. Now the lineup behind me, as you can tell, is very eclectic. Now there is some people still yet to arrive. Let me just run you through some of the interesting cars that we have here today, one of which you'll recognise from a previous video, which I'll link down below. So, lineup. i30N fastback, love for these. Evo, RVR, which you should all recognise, right? Video down below. Another Evo, piece of shit. Legnum, and an old school Toyota. Now you've been introduced to the lineup, it's car number 1, which is an LPG only Starion. Yeah, see what it makes. So, LPG only, 270 horsepower. 270. LPG only. I'll let that sink in and we'll move on to the next one. So the RVR Joydrive fame, 340 at the wheels, and still stock turbo, so basically it runs out of puff at the end. So bigger turbo, easily another almost 100 horsepower from a better turbo. Next up is the i30N fastback, something which very much intrigues me because, as you all know, it's still one of the most favourite cars I've ever driven on this channel. Let's go see what this makes, and it'd be interesting to see the dyno graph as well. i30N made 250 horsepower, and don't forget this is a hub dyno, so that's at the wheels. So transmission losses, I'm pretty sure they quoted at what, 270ish from factory, which puts it spot on. Still one of my most favourite cars.
Again, you
is the Civic. Mid hopes for how it's going to run. So yeah, this one's never been on a dyno before, so I'm really interested to see how this goes. So let's join this together and see how we go. And of course, this wouldn't be possible without RPW for allowing us to use their shop on a Sunday. Huge thanks to RPW. And as you just saw, there was an issue with one of the cars. It was running real lean, and save it blowing up, they quickly rejetted it to make sure that the air fuel was actually in a non-explosive situation. So huge shout out to RPW for allowing this to happen, and of course to Ben for organising. Big props. The hot dogs were beautiful, so thanks for those as well. For all my English and European friends, yep, 1.9 205 GTI, and of course it has the wheels. You're thinking, the wheels, Simon? What do you mean? Look, the wheels. Yep, Speedline, classic 205 wheels. That brings us to the end of today's video. Huge thanks to Ben for A, organising, and B, inviting me down. Huge thanks to everyone that turned up, put their cars on, and of course RPW for allowing us use of their dyno today. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to check out the other videos on the channel, and I very much hope to see you in the next one. Enjoy the rest of your day, evening, morning, whenever you're watching this. Thanks again. I'll see you in the next one.